This is Roman Car 6 here. If you want to have light. Well then, you're gonna have to watch this kid. Well then, I was watching a video. This one right here. Of Maddie B. Raps. And lately, I've been noticing that he really doesn't change his notes. 'Cause he's always like this, and we can't stop. Even at the yeah! Even at the yeah! Even at, sorry, I have a sore throat right now. Even at that part, he still keeps his tone. And I mean, that's just honestly really kind of stupid. Because, I mean, for a song, you gotta change tone. You can't just have people covering up your notes just to make it seem like you're doing higher notes. But no, Maddie, you aren't doing jack. I'm not trying to, like, get you out of here or anything, but I'm just saying, you ain't doing jack to your voice. You're keeping it at the same level. And, so, yeah. So, more videos, huh? How about Brock's Dobbs? He's hilarious as hell. He is the most hilarious guy I've ever seen. I mean, I said we can't stop, thing. I'm not gonna play the video for copyright infringement, flagging, but I'm playing it in my earphones. There's an ad going on, see? Whoa, 24 hours. Whoa. Oh man. My sorry. You've gone crazy. I really don't like Miley Cyrus. She's just gone crazy. She's gone rogue. Oh my god. But, so, what's up with Miley? You know, first it was like, how dare you call me Hannah? How dare you call me Hannah? And now she's like trying to prove herself as an adult and stuff. And she's just like playing with dildos and like smoking pot and stuff. And then twerking. Which is weird. I don't know. Jesus Christ. I just hate her. I just hate Miley so much. Okay. Well, that's all for this time, guys. Share this with your friends. Probably wasn't that entertaining. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Or whenever I post it. Or whenever I make. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!